The Campbell Brown shower niche lighting kit comes complete with all the components you need to create a safe, low voltage, waterproof light in your shower niche or shampoo cubby. Each kit contains the following items: a 12 volt LED driver, a diamond plated hole saw for drilling a hole in your tile, 2.5 meters of flex cable, a waterproof connector, and finally an IP67 waterproof lamp in either cool white or warm white. Should you require additional lamps, these can be supplied to you, complete with 2.5 meters of flex and a waterproof connector. Each kit is also supplied with full installation instructions and schematic wiring diagrams.